Okay, so this time, using this graph, let's find out its amplitude and the period and also equation here. Okay, so first of all, amplitude means the height from the x-axis here. So as you see from here to here, it's like 3. So we can say the amplitude becomes 3 here. Now the period. So when you count the period, you always make the boundary 0 to 2 pi here. So when you look at this one carefully, it looks like a cosine graph, right? Because the cosine is more likely this shape, so I can see cosine more. Then now, how many this graph including this range here? So I'm gonna draw it here. So here's the one, and then another one. So as you see, the two of them is in this regular period here, right? So this case we can say basically 0 to pi, because now each graph finish half of them pi and the another half, so becomes 0 to pi, and the equation becomes y equal to 3 cosine 2x. Okay, so that should be the answer for this problem. Okay, then look at this problem now. So this one looks like sine graph actually. So we will calculate like same way how we did the last graph here. So first of all, we wanna measure amplitude first. When you look at here, so it looks like this is 1, so it is like 1 over 2. So amplitude become 1 over 2. And period, so one cycle finishes where? So let me see. So now 1, so 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? So 4 of them indicate this range here. So you can divide by 4. So 0 to 2 pi divide by 4. Then the period becomes 0 to pi over 2 basically. So the period becomes 0 to pi over 2. And the equation, as I indicate, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 complete sine graph is located here. So become y equal to 1 over 2 sine 4x. That will be the answer for this problem.